everybody, lesson 103 part 2. So here we go. We are going to be working on 11 through 20 today, and I'm going to do a few problems with you. If you want to pause the video and go grab your homework page, your written practice, you can do that, or you can watch this and then rewind if you would like to see me go over these particular problems with you, okay? All right, so with lesson 103, this was ordering numbers, but I'm going to do numbers 12, 18, 19, and 20, which are review problems from past lessons. Number 12 says, Nadia collected 294 soda cans for a class recycling project, and Raul collected about 3 times as many as Nadia collected. Estimate the number of cans Raul collected. I need my glasses. Okay, here's a problem where if you give the exact math, it's going to be incorrect. They want you to estimate, and they tell you that, and that's really helpful. Sometimes they tell you to, sometimes they will use the word about, which is our keyword and our red flag to say something special's happening here. But this one, they actually came right out and said estimate how many she collected. So with 294 cans, this is Nadia, this is going to be rounded to the nearest 100. When they tell you to estimate, make it big numbers that end in zeros that are easy to work with. So 294 would round to, when we look at this 9, it's between 200 and 300. It's very close to 300. We look at this 9, we know we're supposed to round up. So we're going to say 300, but it says her buddy Raul collected 3 times as many. So what are we going to do? We're going to multiply this number times 3. 300 times 3. So you can do the lasso method if you like. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 3, 9. So the answer is going to be a 900 cans is our tag word. Don't forget those tag words. We want to get it 100% correct, okay? All right, let's look at number 18 together. 18, it says $10, and then it says minus, and then I've got these parentheses, and you know what they're doing? They're yelling at me. Because we know that whenever something is in a set of parentheses, that it is screaming, do me first. Pay attention to this. So here's what we have to do. Does that say 89 cents? It sure does. Okay, so because I have parentheses, it's giving me what we call the order of operations. That means I need to do this part first. Okay, so $5.85 and 89 cents. Now, they put a dollar sign and combined it with a cent sign, which we're not supposed to do. So we're just going to convert this to the dollar sign and forget that cent sign. And we're going to line it up like this. This will also, having the decimal there, helps us line things up better, okay? Remember, you're supposed to just imagine like an imaginary arrow that goes down through your decimal points to keep everything lined up very neatly. 1's column, 10's column. All right, so 5 plus 9 is 14. And then we say 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. I carry my 1 up there, 7. Bring that decimal point down in that straight line. And then I have 5 and a 1, so it's $6.74, okay? Just like that. And don't forget to put a box around your answer. And now it says that I'm supposed to, is it subtract? If I can read my own handwriting. Let's see. Yes, I'm supposed to subtract $6.74 from $10. So I'm going to put that right underneath. I'm going to have to subtract across a lot of zeros, so I'll try to be careful and remind you. Okay, I go next door. My neighbor's broke. I go to Granny. She's broke. I go to Uncle Rico. He's got some money. So I come over here to the 1. I cross it out. Becomes a 0. Now, am I going here with my 10? No. So when I am not taking my 10 there, I cross it out, make it a 9. Am I going here? No. I cross this out, make it a 9. And here we go. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. And then I have 9 minus 6, which is 3. And I have nothing over here in this place value, so I'm finished. My answer is $3.26 to number 18. Okay, so 12 and 18. Now, let me see if I can make some room to do 19. I'm not even touching my own board. You know, at school, I have to get out the teacher taser if anybody touches my whiteboard, but I've got this handy dandy eraser. All right, so number 19, what's it say? It says Chandra ran a 3-kilometer race. How many meters are in 3 kilometers? Guys, remember kilo means 1,000. So when we think of kilo, it could be a kilogram, it can be a kilometer, but it means 1,000. So if she did a 3-kilometer race, how far did she run? 3,000, don't forget your tag word, meters. Okay? Good. Number 20. It says to describe the sorting rule for the numbers in these two groups. We've got group A has 11, 25, 36, 48, 59. Group B has 125, 238, 374, 431, and 578. So you may be looking for a pattern in these numbers. Do not make it harder than it is, because it's really pretty easy. All the numbers in group A have how many digits? 2. So group A, you're going to put 2-digit numbers. And then for group B, I'm looking and it says 125. I've got 3-digit numbers. Okay, so that's going to be the answer to number 20. When it asks what's the sorting rule, group A is 2-digit, group B is 3-digit. Okay? All right, that's it for today.